Hi, I'm Brandon Daniel, founder of the Dumbbell, and are you looking for a challenge to strengthen your core? You want to up your plank game? Well, I'm going to show you a great 10-minute plank workout that you can do just right at home. So we're going to do 2 exercises, and we're going to do regular planks and side planks. So the first one we're going to start with is we're going to start with side planks. So when you do a side plank, we're going to come up just like this. If you have to modify, you can slightly have your knees touching the ground. Otherwise, stay all the way up. We're going to hold this exercise for 45 seconds. It will put a lot of pressure on your shoulders, so be careful there. And you're going to feel that right here in the side of your abs. If you want to challenge yourself and make it a little bit tougher, just go up and down just like this. But we're going to hold that for about 45 seconds. Next, we're going to go right down the middle. Keep your back straight, get your butt low, tighten your core, and we're gonna do a regular plank. Now, if you have to modify that one, have your knees slightly on the ground, but otherwise, stay up. And again, 45 seconds there. And then the other one, you would just go to the other side just like this. And if you wanna make it harder, come up and down. But again, elbow bent, tighten up your core, and you would hold that for 45 seconds. The key to challenge yourself on this workout is to try not to touch the ground at any time. But doing that for 10 minutes is gonna be really, really hard. So it is a very, very hard challenge to do. So doing that for about 10 minutes will be a great workout to help strengthen your abs all over, the side abs, lower abs, mid abs, and even your lower back as well. So it's a great 10-minute workout that you can do at home, or honestly, even at the gym, or even during a work break. If you have any other questions, we'd love to hear from you. Reach out to us on our social media channels, and I'll see you guys next time.